Thank you, Chelsea. Tonight, the witness tampering trial against former Pharaoh's strip club owner Peter Gerace and 5 other men is down to just 2 defendants. Those men, who will be tried separately, are now accused of conspiring to kill a witness against Gerace at his previous drug and sex trafficking trial. 2 Side's Dave McKinley has been following this case for months now, and he has the latest on this development. David?
Scott, in recent days, we've gone from a trial that was expected to last the entire summer for all 6 defendants to one that will begin next month against Simon Gogolak, and another Gerace trial to follow at a date to be determined. In the words of a defense lawyer who spoke to us briefly after court today, the government's case was built on theories without evidence and should never have gone this far. Former Pharaoh's dancer Crystal Quinn had agreed to testify against Gerace, but months before his trial was to begin, she was found dead in the Wellsville apartment of Simon Gogolak, where the government alleged she'd been given a lethal dose of fentanyl staged to look accidental. This led to charges against those 2 and 4 others for either being part of a conspiracy to silence Quinn or an alleged cover-up after she died. But as the trial neared, and after Judge Elizabeth Wolford recently made several evidentiary rulings against the government, it offered deals to 4 of the defendants to plead guilty to crimes that had nothing to do with Quinn's death. Outlaws Motorcycle Club leader Thomas Irwin pled to misprision of a felony for having knowledge of drug use at Pharaoh's and failing to report it. Having served more time already than sentencing guidelines call for, he's already been released. Howard Hinkle Jr., among the last to be seen with Quinn, pled to maintaining a drug-involved premises and possession of firearms in furtherance of drug trafficking. Held pending trial, he's already served almost half of what the sentencing guidelines suggest for those crimes. Michael Roncone, president of the Rare Breed Motorcycle Club's Wellsville chapter, pleaded guilty to making a false statement to the FBI, a charge which carries up to 6 months confinement. And Wellsville resident Frank Knight, who'd been charged with making false statements to law enforcement after Quinn's death, pled guilty instead to misdemeanor possession of marijuana. Today, the judge also approved prosecutors' motions to drop counts of witness tampering and witness retaliation conspiracy against Gerace and Gogolak, the only 2 defendants now left. In their motion paper, prosecutors wrote, the government has, as in all cases, continued to reevaluate its proof in accordance with the interests of justice. So this now leaves Gerace facing only 1 count of conspiracy to obstruct justice. But even if he's acquitted, he's already been sentenced to 25 years for drug and sex trafficking. And Gogolak is certainly not out of the woods, still facing drug and weapons charges and a count of distributing fentanyl resulting in a death, which carries a penalty of 20 years to life. On your side of the studio, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.
Very good, David. Thank you.